May the sleeper guide your spirit along the river of stars. Vader won't waste any time activating the Eon engine. When he does, he will destroy what little life still clings to our planet. Only you can face Vader. Our only hope is to attack his castle.
Wait. You want us to take on his entire garrison? We need an army for that.
You have an army. As Lady Korvac's descendant, you can command the Horde in battle. Even now, they are with you in the necropolis above.
Unless you can magic us up some wings, can't really see how we're gonna make it all the way back to Vader's castle.
Perhaps we can restore that ancient air skiff.
What air skiff, Bug Eyes? That air skiff, right.
Unfortunately, we lack the necessary tools.
Step aside, crazy pants. If I can fix a hyperdrive, I'm sure I can repair this... whatever it is.
Follow me.
Go on! We got this. Well, I got this, anyway.
This platform is designed to lift us to the necropolis. However, it is not functioning. Its source of power is energy crystals. These can only be set in place by one of Korvac's blood. Find the replacement. Well done. Vader will take the Bright Star to his chambers and activate the Eon engine. But if we hurry, we may yet stop him. I know you did not choose this path, but our future depends on you. My people will do what we can, and I have summoned another to aid us in our struggle. The necropolis. We are here. The marching horde awaits us. There they are. Lady Kovac's marching horde is Legion. Your light sword can command them, and there is one who still knows how. Lord Kovacs, thank you for heeding my call. Vader now possesses the Bright Star.
How will you stop him from activating the Eon engine?
Perhaps we can destroy it.
And destroy the Bright Star along with it.
If we shatter the Bright Star, the life current will be free to flow through Mustafa. But first, we must reach Vader. We need the marching horde. With the horde at our side, my tribesmen can engage Vader's troops.
In order to awaken the horde, you must make the signals of authority with your light sword. Use the light sword to follow my actions. Stroke upwards, left to right, then straight downwards.
Good. The horde is responding.
Now, a second gesture. This time, a three-pointed shape, a tribute to the three favors.
Magnificent. Keep going.
One final series of gestures. Sweep your light sword upwards to finish in the position of command.
In order to follow the bishop's movements.
It is done. They now recognize you as their master. Only you have the power to stop Vader. Your strength will be tested, but we will help where we can.
The chamber opens. Stormtrooper, use your lightsaber. Direct the horde against them. The horde is under your captain's command. But if we are to stop Vader, you must now transfer that command to me. I will lead them in our assault on the garrison. Touch your light sword to my staff.
Would have been nice to have our own horde. Fun while it lasted, I guess.
Wanek will take you to Vader's castle. I will follow with the horde.
How about this time I'm the pilot of this rust bucket? My servos can't take any more of your piloting. Or whatever it is that you're calling it. Later, clunkers! I like this guy. Wanik, got any lights on this thing?
Ancient lava flows formed a network of conduits. My tribesman mapped them out centuries ago. Without my guidance, a soul could be lost down here forever.
Presuming any soul in their right mind would want to come down here.
Hey, hold that thing over. Oh no. Lower down your vehicle and surrender your weapon. Reinforcement!
Here just needs the junk go any faster?
You won't have to deal with the troopers. We can't outrun them.
Yeah, take that!
Target located.
Look out!
We need reinforcements. Take down that ship. Pull it back.
You're doing great, Captain. Keep at it.
There they are. Stop them. Combat. Die. Stop. Hold on.
Take him out! Take them all out!
Down that ship. Take them down.
Yeah, you're wiping the floor!
Enemy located.
Target located! Reinforcements!
Disengaging target.
Engaging in combat.
Target located. Reinforcements! Take them down! There they are! Stop them! Die, enemy scum! We can't take them here! Fall back!
Yeah, take that!
Target broken! Take down that ship! It's strong! There they are! Stop them! Lower! Enemy ahead! Move! Break down that ship!
Take down that... Whoa! Fall back!
There they are! Stop them! Enemy located!
Open back!
Dissipating target!
Got them all! Thanks, Captain! Great job, Wannick. Hey, Wannick. About your eye goggles. So, what do you have, poor eyesight?
They are for protection. And the style.
Oh, right. Okay, then. Daylight. Or lava light. We're at the surface, right?
Indeed.
What's going on at the top of Vader's castle?
We must hurry. I'd hoped the hangar would be open. You'll have to find a way to override the controls to let the Horde inside.
Okay, Marty, you get your ride back. Just don't try any fancy flying until we're off of this thing.
Good luck, my friends. The fate of the galaxy rests in your hands.
No pressure, Bug Eyes. But seriously, be careful. What did I just tell them about fancy flying? Oh, if Wannick doesn't crash that thing, I'll be amazed.
curious, all personnel report to battle stations. Unknown enemies are surrounding the base.
Look, an elevator up! Blocked by bucket heads, of course. But once we get the hangar open, our droids ought to distract them. Coast is clear, Captain. Let's skedaddle. There's a ship! Oh, windfall! We'll be back for you later, my beauty. We've got to find a way to get our army into the hangar. See if you can activate that control panel right in front of you. Great idea! The hangar door should open to let the TIE fighter out. See if we can get to one. Keep going, Captain. Try one of the other controls. Press the buttons next to the arrows. More buttons! Hit them all! Ah! Well, look at it this way. One less TIE fighter. Come on, we should get going to the elevator. Come on, let's head to the elevator while they're busy.
I warned Lord Vader you couldn't be trusted.
Whoa! Later, Metal Mouth! That's that. Let's go. You lead the way. And be ready for trouble. Right back at him. Got another one. More troopers. Yeah, buckethead. That's right. You don't stand a chance. We cleared him out. It's safe to move.
Stop! Stop!
Captain, watch it!
Ah!
Wow, that's gonna be tough to fix. Oh, hello, thermal detonators. Don't mind if I do. Never have enough of these babies. What? So I like explosives. A walker. The Mustafarians won't stand a chance against that. It's about to get real busy down here.
Keep shooting. Drop your weapon. Engaging in combat.
Aha! Perfect! Nailed them! I think we got them all. Let's move on. Is that all you got?
Stabilize, damn you!
Yes, you damaged it! Your ship's not looking too good there, Admiral. How's your ship feeling now? Enjoying the ride? Keep trying, Captain. Give him a taste of his own medicine. Good riddance. Won't miss that guy. Come on, let's move.
My friend, fortune favors you both.
Fortune had nothing to do with it, lady. That was all skill.
Now, you and I must stop Vader.
Buckeyes? Come on, you're with me. We'll get the windfall and keep the Imperials off your back. Call me superstitious, but I'm not gonna wish you any more luck, Captain. Just hope I see you on the other side.
Blessings to you both.
Follow me. Of an individual. Remember, the bright star represents the life energies of an entire world, and life longs to be free. If the moment presents itself, do what you must to destroy the Aeon engine. The Aeon engine. Vader has activated it. Draining my life force. You must stop him before he drains the vitality of every being on this planet. I have taken you as far as I can. But you must finish this alone. Reach inside yourself. Find strength. And remember, fate chose you for a reason.
Not far from here, a man was found broken. He
Anakin,
found him.
all I want is your love. And I'm afraid.
Padme, you will be mine again. If the energies of this world are not enough, there are countless others. You! So, you survived the caverns. No matter, you've arrived too late. Can you feel it? Your own life force is ebbing away. Where your ancestor failed, I will succeed. Time for one final lesson. Is that all you've learned? Look upon the engine. Do you see? Your ancestors' destiny is fulfilled. Pathetic. Let us see how much of your training you recall. Recognizes you. Your blood connects you to its power. Enough.
Stop now, come back. I love you.
Now, die.
This is the moment. Look, the bright star is vulnerable. Vader thinks his willpower can achieve what Lady Corvax could not. Instead, he will tear this world apart trying to resurrect shadows. The Eon engine must be destroyed. Use the Force. Reach out with your mind and summon the light sword. Now, before Vader can act, plunge the light sword into the bright star. No! You have my gratitude. You have freed me from the prison of time. And in doing so, righted our wrongs. The priestess was right. The energy from the bright star now flows through Mustafar. Slowly, our world will begin to heal.
Captain! You didn't get killed! Again! Come on, hop in! Or, I guess I'll come help you. Well, look who's awake! The whole family's back together again, back on the windfall. As it should be. Okay, we are all set to clear the atmosphere. Finally, we can get off of this hellscape. Hey, let me take a look at that saber, would you? Something familiar about it. The design looks kind of like the totem Violet gave us. He said it dated back to Lady Corvax's time. Got it! By the Maker! A star chart! Wherever that is, it's way beyond the outer rim. Almost looks like a treasure map. What do you think? Should we check it out? We're almost clear of Mustafar. Get ready to jump to hyperspace. Punch it, Captain. We've got a treasure to find.